It cuts both ways.
Okay.
Putting together the bill cost money.
So this is a legal document?
Yes, it is.
Which means you have to get lawyers to do this work?
Yes.
Well, you're not a lawyer, as far as I remember.
Well, I have legal training. I've not been called to the bar, but yes.
Yeah, so you're not a lawyer.
Very well. No debate on that.
Okay. So you get people to do this work.
We've been blessed, and because of how much support this has, a lot of the people who have worked on this with us have done so at almost no cost. In fact, some at no cost whatsoever. They are retired judges of the Supreme Court who looked through this document. That's why when I hear people who have not even cut their teeth in law say that this is a useless legal document, I laugh. I mean, we had at least 3 former judges of the Supreme Court do an independent analysis and assessment of this document and make their inputs into it. We've had senior lawyers look at this. We've had senior professionals, psychologists, endocrinologists, biologists, mental health. Dr. Osei, head of the Mental Health Authority, they worked with us.
Akwasi Osei.
Yes, Akwasi Osei. But a lot of this has been possible thanks to the National Coalition on Proper Human Sexual Rights and Ghanaian Family Values. That is a coalition of religious organizations and traditional organizations. So, like I said to you, we've had a number of consultative assemblies, most of which have been born by this coalition. The last one we did in the Ashanti region was actually born by the National House of Chiefs. The National House of Chiefs covered the cost of putting it together. And so, yes, it has come at cost, both fiscal and financial, but there have been many helpers along the way. And I cannot begin to list every one of them, but the coalition is massive. The Chief Imam's Office, the Catholic Bishops' Conference, the Church of Pentecost, the Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, the National Association of Charismatic Churches, the Christian Council of Ghana.
So you talked about Islam and Christianity. How about the traditional authorities or traditional worshippers? Have they also given you any view, or have you consulted?
Yes, we have consulted with some of the Wulome and traditional authorities in some of the regions where we've been.
And they support this?
Absolutely. The gods do not, apparently the gods actually hate this. That's why in places, take for example, in Obusumase, where there was an attempt by some LGBTQ community to get married. The gods were angry. They had to be pacified. So the traditional authority, not the chiefs, but the traditional priests had to do a purification rites for the community because the gods were angry. So apparently it is not just only Yahweh or Almighty Allah who frowns on this, but even, well, they are the supreme gods. So if the supreme gods do not subscribe to it,
so walk us through this bill.
Imagine what the deities think.
What is the content?
Okay, so
I'm sure many people may not have